Welcome back to another video, guys. We've got another trade breakdown on EU, and this is a trade that I took on Tuesday. So I'm just going to break it down quickly and tell you exactly why I took it. It was a little bit different than usual, so I'll explain why as well. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so here we have our Asia session, and then if I play price forward, we can see as London opens, we start to push up quite aggressively, as you can see with this big bullish candle here, and we tap into this fair value gap that I have marked out at the top here. Now when we do tap into it, we do then respect it and start to head to the downside again. So for this setup, if I go into the 5 minute, our last major bit of structure that I would consider as a market structure shift would have been this area that I've got marked up here. So if I carry on playing price forward, we can see price does start to come back down. And here we break below this point, however we don't get a candle closure below, it just wicks below and then pushes back up. So that's not a valid market structure shift yet. So I just kept on waiting to see what price did, and then as you can see now we do get a proper close below. So now it's a valid market structure shift for me. So this is when I would have been looking to mark out my OTE zone. So if I take up my fib quickly, I would have gone from this swing high up here down to this swing low where price stopped and started reversing. And then we've got our OTE zone here. So there we go, there's my OTE zone. And then this is where I had my trade placed, right at the bottom of the OTE zone, a sell limit order with my stops just above the swing high, 7.2 pip stop loss. And then I was just targeting a 1 to 3 like usual. So we had our limit order set, and now we're just waiting to get tagged into the trade. So if I play price forward, we'll see what happens. We get price come up almost all the way to the zone, and it starts to almost create a bit of buy side liquidity. Seen this many times before, and then price heads to the downside again. But as we can see, it doesn't break below this previous bit of structure here. And then we start to move to the upside again. And as you can see here, we use this as a bit of buy side liquidity. We take that out and then tap into the zone. We're now tagged into the trade. And then I play price forward. It ended up being a really nice entry. As you can see, it literally just tapped into the zone and then started selling off straight away. So if I play price forward a bit more, we can see it just starts selling off straight away down into good decent profit now. And if I move on to the 50-minute time frame, price starts to come back up, have a bit of a pullback, and as you can see, we've got a bit of imbalance that price may come and fill. However, seeing as we did move so far down into profit, I did move my stops to break even. So it's now a risk-free trade, and I'll just let the rest play out. So as you can see, we do come up into this fair value gap, then move off, and then we have a bit of consolidation. As you can see, price is moving sideways for a little bit, but then we do carry on selling off and hit our full TP for a nice 1 to 3. So yeah, that was the trade. That was the reasoning for taking this trade. On the higher time frames, we was bearish as well, so just another confluence to add to the reason for selling. So yeah, another nice trade on EU. If you're looking to catch similar trades that I do, want to learn this strategy in depth, then make sure you join my Discord. I'll put a link to that in the description. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.